A special tool comes with Punch software called Custom Workshop. Custom Workshop allows you to make modifications to the 3D content that comes with Punch software as well as create your own. We'll set our 2D views so that we can see the furniture layout and the 3D view so that we can see some of the furniture as well as the draperies. Double-click on a chair and it opens in Custom Workshop. You'll see similar navigation tools available here. There's even a tool to allow you to set a new center point so that the fly around tool will circle around any given point that you wish. By default, Custom Workshop objects when opened are single groups. Everything is seen as one object. We'll just draw a simple cube so that you can see the basic process of going in and starting to assemble your own workshop objects. Different mechanisms are available to apply materials. Normal apply applies to an individual object face. Grouped apply applies to every item or object that's grouped together. And matching apply applies to everything that's similar or like materials. As you can see, when we select the object, the chair in this case, it selects the entire thing. Normal apply applies to a single face, as we mentioned. Now we'll try grouped apply. Drag and drop the material. As I mentioned, by default it's a single group, so it applies the material to the whole object. If we select the chair and ungroup it, it ungroups or explodes at one level. In this case, it was drawn as components. So using grouped apply, now I can drag and drop materials, and with 3 drags, apply material to the arms and the back cushion. There's another option available called matching apply. This allows us to drag a fabric over or a material over, and when I place it on a surface, it will apply it anywhere in the object that has the same fabric. We'll apply it once to the back, and everything that uses that fabric changes to the new fabric, and again to the seat cushion. Similarly, the legs are all one material, so if I drag and drop, say, red onto one of the legs, all 4 legs will turn red. We'll undo those changes, scroll through the list, and we'll find the cocoa bean fabric. Drag and drop it onto the chair and onto the seat cushion. Choose File, Exit Power Tool, and Yes to update. And you'll see the chair has been updated in the design. Now double click on the sofa, set your view, choose Matching Apply, go to the fabrics, and drag and drop cocoa bean onto the sofa. Exit the power tool and update, and now the sofa is matching. Do the same for the 3rd chair. Matched apply onto the chair, drag onto the cushion, exit and update. We'll set a view, take a look from the east. Remember, as you work, it's always a good idea to save often, and you may decide that you'd like to have more than one version of your drawing as you work. We'll go back to 2D, and we're going to zoom in on our lamp. We're going to double click on the lamp, ungroup it, select the lamp shade, go to Options, Object Translucency, Move this slider to 25%. Click OK. And you'll see that it's actually added a translucency to the shade. You can actually see the light. Choose Exit Power Tool and Update. Now let's go back to full screen live view, and we'll rotate around and get in a little bit closer, and you'll see that the shade is actually semi-transparent.